it's Christy here. If you are wanting to learn how to plant, grow, harvest and even prepare and eat radish, you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you the whole thing from beginning to end. I've kept a little video diary along the way and you can even see how I enjoy it in a salad in 35 days time. These beautiful looking seeds, I've planted them in my Vegepod. I start by putting them on top, just about 1 centimetre apart, and pushing them in gently with a finger and covering them over just with a bit of soil, so they're about 1 centimetre deep. The smaller the seeds, the shallower they need to be planted. Once you've planted your seeds, give them a really good watering. Day 3, you can see that my seeds have germinated and tiny little seedlings have poked through. This is 8 days in. They're looking good. By day 10, they're starting to look really strong and healthy. You'll see I've got some perlite in my soil here. I've also used a really good quality potting mix. Here I'm just starting to thin them out, so they're about 3 centimetres apart, just to make sure they've got enough space to grow. And look, already you can see those beautiful bulbs starting to form. The radish are nearly ready. And by day 35, I have a beautiful, small, sweet radish ready to pick. I ate my very first one by literally just popping it in my mouth after giving it a clean. The French like to dip them in a bit of salt, but a much more popular way of eating them is to really finely slice them up and pop them in salads. But do not throw away the leaves, because the leaves are beautiful too. If you want bigger radishes, you just leave them in to grow a little bit longer. The leaves can go straight into a salad. They taste delicious and they're so good for you. This is an awesome veg to grow when you've got little kids, because you see results so quickly. Happy gardening.